Hello everybody, welcome back. This is day 3 actually. Yes, we vlogged day 2. We didn't vlog this day. Is this day 3? I'm lost, I don't know anymore. But anyway, we're already awake in the morning. First activity of the day. The kids wanted to do pony riding, so we are already up. This is like 9 o'clock because the activities have at a certain time. They're at a certain time, so yeah, we had to be up exactly early in the morning so that we can make it for that appointment. So right now we just want to go and also ask about the appointment that I want to do tomorrow. I mean the activity that I want to do tomorrow. So I'll catch you guys update. I just want to open the vlog. Yeah, it's nice and sunny. I mean, stay tuned. So
I can't wait for the cruise ship tomorrow.
what are you saying, Papa?
I can't wait for the cruise ship tomorrow. That's my favorite part. My brother's house.
Hi guys, welcome back to day 3. Today's day 3. So today we started our morning very early. We woke up at 8 o'clock. Thank God everybody was able to bath because the first activity was starting at 9:30. So we made that. We made it for our first activity. Thank you, Jesus. You will see the clips. We are going to put the clips after this introduction. Whilst running for our appointment, oh, there are cars. So whilst running for our appointment, not appointment, but for the first activity, I was trying to also like open up the vlog so that, but I just saw that it was just so shady. We have good weather today. Thank you, Jesus. We have another activity at 11 o'clock, 11:50. So right now I actually thought we never showed you guys the what do you call this, the place as the resort area, and we want to take you guys into the resort area to show you whilst we are going like to our apartment. And then at 11:50 then we're going to do the second clip for you guys. These are the kids. come in and tell them about your experience. I think they're just thinking, wow.
Hallo, ich bin hier. Guck mal, wer weiß, was du heute noch gemacht hast. Wir haben ein Pony noch gereitet, die schon erheben. Ja. Das ist auch so cool.
Yeah, so you guys will see that. Yeah, so right now I'm just gonna take you guys along and just show you yes, because I didn't eat, so I have to go and eat. So come along, guys. So this is like we're going into the resort. So this is like a no car zone. You come the first day when you come, you're allowed to bring your car inside and go and park it at your apartment so that you can upload your things and then you bring it out. So they said here is the laser battle. If you go somewhere here, there's laser battle things, the sports arena. So these are the houses. Their houses, their apartments, and yeah, exactly. And you can even come like with the whole family. I think you can rent like a house depending on how big you guys want. So the houses actually have like a backyard, so you can grill and everything. This is something else. You can rent out bicycles and all that. So this is behind of the swimming pool. Yeah, it's an indoor pool. I think there's also an outdoor pool. So this is the behind of it. Yesterday, this is where we were. Maybe this is where you could have seen. I'm trying not to put the camera on people's faces. Exactly, this building. It's like, yeah, the play area. In the swimming pool, there was also a jacuzzi. There were 2 jacuzzis or 3. I didn't swim because unfortunately Mother Nature came and visited me. So yeah, but Ernest was there. He did a tour with the kids, but unfortunately we could not take any pictures or videos. You know, it's not allowed because I mean people are swimming. They're naked. It's not allowed. So yeah. Papa Fosso, tell us.
As we check.
Drip. He's excited, guys. Don't see him like the excited. Look at us.
We don't keep the excited. Keep it down. Keep it down.
So
tomorrow, me and you, baby, cruising. 1.5 hours. Yeah. It's gonna be amazing. Morgan.
okay. So the kids actually want to go there, but that is for
It's like
yeah, exactly. Mittwoch. Oh, sorry. Mittwoch.
Aber versprochen.
Yeah.
Weil das habe ich immer geträumt.
You want to go there? That's where Adrian wants to go. But today is already full the program. So Mittwoch, Wednesday.